Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9440. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but the publisher has indicated this with a 4 stars puzzle. Yeah, a 4 stars puzzle. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. How about dual box? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, all right. Now the triple boxes. I see only one triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra box? I see here also a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shape. Oh wait, we have another quadra box here. The 1, the 2, and the 4 are filled in. So one digit left should be the 3. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box, the inside box of the L shape is always a 5 here. All right. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same name as that box. And do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Here another L shape. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's also a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So only 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then Then. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5, so the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, so 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes in there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 now, so this can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah. Now it's stuck. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 in this quarter box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area, quadrat box for the number 3. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. This box will be a 1. Is connected with that box. Will be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2 is connected with that box. Will be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. 1 box left with 2 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes and there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes surround the 2, give me 2. Oh, of course, this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place level 3 in this cross area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be a... Wait. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so a 3. Then these two boxes can be 2, so one box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so one box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Then let me see. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. 1, I need a 2 here. This box give me 2. So the 2. Oh. This box give me 2. That box give me 2. So one box left with 2 in this cross area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.